Jonathan mounts the podium about 50 feet away. He needs better than a 14.75 to take the lead and win the American Cup for a second year in a row.
Walk in the park if he grabs the bar about 4 times. Walk in the park. But that is no small task.
He's one of those high flyers. He takes risks.
As you are about to see. Now, honestly, I don't know what he's going to do because he knows that he doesn't need to do all of the gymnastics his body's capable of. But it starts right here. He usually will do 3 of these giant releases. That's one. Now he'll do that same thing, but with a full twist. Oh my God. That was so far. That was so far. One more. And now that's where he wants it. Little bit of a mistake there. One more time.
Bring it home. Bring it home. Come on.
All he has remaining is a dismount.
What will it be?
He's just going to do a full twisting double. That's it.
Stay.
Right. Right. That's 2.
Nice ending.
Well, it looks like he thinks he's gotten it.